Assalamualaikum everybody, my name is Turan Rahman. I'm from the famous English Language Center, Bangladesh. My badge number is 165 and today I'm going to tell a paragraph named Blueberry. So let's get started. Blueberry is known for its small and round shape. Blueberry is a superfruit that contains vitamin, antioxidants. Blueberry grows in a sunny area. Blueberry has vitamin C. Blueberry has a sweet, slightly tangy taste. Blueberry's color is deep blue or purple. We add them in cereal, yogurt, etc. I love blueberries a lot. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye. Sorry.